Working in partnership with Shortridge Laundry has been an amazing journey over the last 3 years. But what's incredible about their own story is they've been established since 1845, providing customers with peace of mind and providing their products and services to them. The great thing about this business is we have some opportunities that we'd like to present to you, and we're going to showcase a very short video which will give you an insight to their business and the opportunities that we have available. So we really look forward to engaging with you in this video, and if you're looking for more information, then please watch the video and send your details to us below. Many thanks.